You're ready to build that roof, but now you're stuck. How do you secure the beams without cracking anything? Screws? Nails? Too risky, right? Well, here's the perfect solution to lock them in place without punching holes or breaking the wood. This guy used nothing fancy, just pure brain power, and proved there's another way. And guess what? It actually works. Watch this step by step and see this true DIY genius in action. After this, you'll feel like you hired an engineer, except smarter and probably way cheaper.